How to solve 5x plus 4y equals negative 14 and 3x plus 6y equals 6 using elimination. Alright, first off you gotta have your two equations in order to figure out what to do. You see I have my two equations here. And really with using elimination, you're going to take out two of the similar factors, two of the similar numbers with the same variable. As you see here, we do not have that. So what we're going to have to do with this is multiply the top and the bottom by two of the numbers with the same variable. I'll explain that and show that in a second. So let's go to a new page. Alright, so the equations are 5x plus 4y. That was a fail. Equals negative 14. That's a 4. That's a 4. And 3x plus 6y equals 6. So as I said, you're going to want to be able to actually cancel out one of the variables by having them opposites but the same number on the top and the bottom. We don't have that. So what I'm going to do here is multiply by the bottom by 5, by negative 5, and the top by 3. The reason I'm doing this is so we have a negative, so the variables will cancel out, and then also so that we do have equal numbers that will allow us to do so. So let me show you how that works. So multiply this by 3 and this by negative 5. So 5 times 3 is 15x plus 4 times 3 is 12y, which equals negative 42. Then the bottom by negative 5. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. See, we have our 2 that can cancel out. But let's finish the problem before we get to that. Then 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. And then 6 times negative 5 again is negative 30. So what we're going to do from here is you see 15 and negative 15. These two variables cancel out because what you're essentially doing is you're taking the top and putting it together with the bottom. So here it says 12y and negative 30. It's going to be 12y plus negative 30 or 12y minus 30, whatever way you want to think about it. So then that will bring us to negative 18y equals, and then negative 30 and negative 42 get us negative 72. Now what you're going to do from here, you're going to divide by negative 18 on both sides, and that's going to get us y equals 4. Alright, you see I have y. Now that we have that, we take the y, we plug it into one of the equations that we were given, and then we solve for x. I'm going to choose the top equation. So it's going to be 5x plus 4y was there. Now you're going to plug in 4 for y equals negative 14. And now you're just going to solve it like it was a regular equation. So 5x plus 16 equals negative 14. Now that you have this, you're going to subtract 16 from both sides. And that is going to give you 5x equals negative 30. Then divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 6. Alright, now that you have that, all you have to do is put it into a plot point. So it's going to be negative 6, 4. Alright, and then the reason I really picked this was because I see it as the easiest method. As what you do with it, you eliminate one of the variables then you're left with less work to do. There is less confusion. All you have to do is figure out for the one variable, then plug in the other. And all in all, I think that makes it the easiest. Thank you for watching.